Hi everyone, I am here with a another haul video, and this is the range haul. It's my ribbon. I went and stocked up on ribbons, and they do have a great collection of ribbons in there, and they're all £1. All of these rolls are £1, so you know it's pretty inexpensive way of getting trims and things like that. I mean, yes, I get my ribbons, not ribbons, yes, my lace from AliExpress, but sometimes, you know, I do get things from the range because they do have a nice assortment. So I thought I would share with you what I actually got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push these to one side. All of these rolls were £1, and this one in particular I thought was great. It's 1 metre, and I think these are about 2 inches wide, and it's this lovely old crocheted lace look, and I love the colour of this one. Let me just open it so you can see. Get off me. Look at this. Just gorgeous. It's the old-fashioned sort of crocheted feel. Just lovely. And you only need little bits on projects. So I got myself... oh, this one's different. Look. I actually didn't realise that. They are actually different. Oh, get off. This stuff is so like, ugh. Right, this one is, oh, look. This has got like a, you know, bigger sort of holes in it than that one. So you've got that one, and, well, that one's got butterflies. Like little butterflies in the middle. And this one, that's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. Wow, I love these. So they're my old-fashioned crocheted trim, and these I love. Look at this one, this sort of vintage butterflies, and it's like a, I don't know what material you would call it. Now these are 2.5 meters approximately, and it's like I don't know what the fabric's called. What is the fabric called? Let me just show you. Like calico sort of thing. And look at that. That would look just amazing on vintage projects. But would look amazing on any project. I love that one. And I also got it in pink and red. They're all the same. 2.5 meters. And I got a blue one as well. So, I got my finger stuck. So, those are the butterfly ones. Look at those. Yummy. And I would just cut off just one butterfly and put it on a little project. So, imagine how many you're going to get. I mean, these ones are smaller, you know, spaced out. These are spaced out bigger. So, these are ideal to just actually cut out a butterfly and put on a project and stitch it on even. Love them. So we have those, and we have some quite interesting sort of trims. Now these ones are, is that 2 meters? And look, it's like the eyelash trim, and it's in gold. Gold eyelash trim. Thank you, honey. That was charming. Telling me I had a cup of tea made. It's nearly tea time. Right, look at this. Look, 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 look. Yummy yum. That's gorgeous. Then I have this lovely, let me get into it. I've not even opened these yet. See, I need more of my wine rack storage now for my new ribbons that I have. This is lovely. It's just a lovely shiny, that can't be 1 meter. What does that say? 1 meter, that's got to be 10 meters, surely. That can't be 1 meter. 1 meter, it says. I don't think that's right. I think it would be 10 meters. 10 meters, look. So you've got absolutely loads of this. And this is great for tags. Oh, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Right. And then we have this, look at this fun pom-pom sort of trim. Let me see if I can pull an end out. That's always the hard bit, is finding the end. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, no, we didn't find it very well. There you go. And this is like a tinsel with pom-poms. It's gorgeous for Christmas. Look at that. That's lovely. Look at the little bomb-bombs. That's beautiful. Right, that one's 2 meters. So I did get a couple of those because I thought that'd be fun on Christmas journals and tags and Christmas cards. So I got 2 of those. And then we have this other butterfly one, which is beautiful as well. And this is 2 meters. Love the colour of that. Very vintage looking. They have such a big assortment down there. Then we have this one, which is a lot of fun as well. I have used this on a couple of projects. It's kind of fluffy and shiny. That one's lovely. There's 2 meters of that one. I have 2 of those butterfly ones because I know that I'll use that one a lot. And I got 2 of these as well, which is this lovely colour. Oh, can't get that in focus. Look, that's just gorgeous. And that's 2 meters as well. So I got 2 of that one. I got the this is the same as the white one, but it's in cream. Just beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of like fluffy, but it's shiny as well. Lovely trim. That's beautiful, that is. They're all gorgeous, aren't they? They had such a big assortment in there. I had to calm myself down. And then this is one that I got really more for Christmas cards and that for next year. I could have gone crazy, but look, I didn't. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If I'd have known that, I'd have got 3 and made it 20. Right, so there these are my new ribbons, and they're from the range. Go and have a look because they do have a great assortment in them, and I don't think these are very expensive. And you've got lots of different textures and things going on there. Can't wait to get my hands onto them and start making some projects, especially these. That butterfly one, definitely probably the first one to use. So that's my the range haul. I was very good actually. Oh, I did buy something else. Where did I put it? I was actually a bit annoyed at myself because I'm not gonna be able to find it now, am I? Okay, I'll just tell you about it. There's no point me showing you it. I had a dye brush, you know, to get all the, you know, when you've got intricate dies like this. I had one from Stampin' Up. And can I find it? I can't find it anywhere. So I did buy one from the range, which I can't find now. So that's what I got. I got the brush and I got these. So I was very good. I didn't have a look round. I came straight out. I was very good. Can't find the brush. I'll show you it in another video. But that's my haul for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Lots and lots of gorgeous ribbons for you to have a lot of fun with. So get yourself to the range if you're in the UK, obviously. But right, I am going to go and have my cup of tea that my lovely, lovely Charmin has made me. And I shall see you all very soon. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.